In this video, we're going to be replacing the vent glass handle on this Ford F-150. So now, to remove our vent window handle, we're going to need to push in our button, which is our lock, and spin it open. You'll notice two little spots, one on each side, right across the top area here. That's actually a roll pin. So we're going to need a small punch that'll fit inside that area and a small hammer. And we're going to drive that roll pin right out. Now your roll pin should be through the other side. You may have to pop it all the way out, or you may be able to leave it almost all the way out. Ours needs to come out just a little more. All right, so our roll pin's most of the way out. We're going to grab that with a pair of pliers and see if we can pull it the rest of the way. Again, be careful in this area. You are working around glass. There's your roll pin. Now inside here, you're going to have your lock and a spring. So work this off of the arm. And here is our lock button, and our spring is still inside. There's your spring. Now to assemble, remember we're in this position here. We're going to make sure that our washer stays in the back. We're going to take our spring, put our spring inside, and then we're going to take our button, push it in, make sure everything's clear and free, works good. And we're going to take our handle, drop our button into the handle, put our handle on, and we may have to spin that button to make sure it goes in the groove. This is kind of a tricky part to get it all to line up right. All right, so make sure your button works. Looks good. Now we're going to take our new roll pin and push it through. Now sometimes what I like to do in roll pin situations where they will not stay in by themselves is take it to the bench and give it a light tap just so it stays there, so you don't have to hold the pin and set everything up. So on the inside you can see the hole where it comes through. I'm just going to push it right till it meets up with that hole. Right there. And now we're ready to go to the vehicle. All right, now we're back at the vehicle. We're going to push our handle in place. We're going to push it all the way back, make sure our button hasn't moved and the button still works. Everything looks good. We're going to start to drive in our roll pin. We're going to push this handle in all the way. And we're going to get that roll pin going to where it stops and it won't push back. And we're going to use a punch to send that roll pin through. Once you've got that roll pin all the way through, rotate your handle back, make sure the lock locks, open it up, doesn't want to move, push the lock in, open it up, check the functionality, you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.